Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The wait is finally over. The good news is shipping has officially begun on August 1st, that's today, and Solana Mobile team has confirmed this via tweet. So if you have been awaiting this moment, celebrate it, it's actually happening. I don't know about you, but I've been counting down and I know everyone is hyped and I am too. But at the same time, I'm like, please don't disappoint us. In crypto, it's not wise to fall in love too deep with a project. But with the kind of effort Solana is putting in, I think this one might actually be worth it. What you should know is this isn't just a regular phone. This is a Web3 in your pocket. So you are getting a secure crypto wallet built in called Seed Vault. You're also getting an access to dApps. You're also getting a special NFT that comes with each device. And their token SKR is also dropping soon. So what should you do now? If you pre-ordered and have gone to Solana mobile page to confirm your delivery address and paid any customs or import fees that appear to you, you don't need to do anything. Just get ready to receive your mobile phone. I honestly can't wait to get mine. I want to see if it really lives up to all the excitement. So what about you? Did you pre-order? Are you excited? So what are you most looking forward to? Is it the seed vault or the SKR token or the NFT? People who got the first Solana phone, that is the Saga phone, ended up making back their money from token airdrops. So yeah, fingers crossed on this one. This one comes with some sweet bonus too. So shipping is rolling out, so stick around. I'll be doing an unboxing and showing everything that comes with it. And if you didn't pre-order but you are curious, so stick around. I will be doing the unboxing and showing everything that comes with it. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's see what the Solana got for us.